energy is what I'm giving y'all right now. You wanna know why I'm giving y'all energy? Because, bro, for the last 3 days, my stomach been hurt. Oh man, I eat milk and cookies every night before I go to bed. And something just told me, eat milk and cookies in the morning. So guess what I did? I went in my snack cabinet. I took out 2 things of Famous Amos cookies. Then I got a cup from the cabinet. Then I got some of that vitamin D. Lava. Pause. Then I started dipping that damn cookie in that mouth. Then I came in the bathroom and started dropping the most skid markiest of turds. Bro, you know you had a good poop when your toilet bowl got skid marks. Super facts. So that is how my day is going. How your day going? Comment down below. But for today's video, we are going to be doing a little bit of I don't know yet. Because usually when I play in a video, it never goes, oh, I gotta let my dog outside. You know what I mean? Come on, kid, let's ride, shawty. Before I was rudely interrupted by a cute little dog. I don't know what we're doing. I still have yet to drive my car. I still have yet to drive the Integra because it's not you guys see how dirty this car is, bro? I haven't washed this car in like, I don't even know how long. There is multiple things that needs to be done before IBOC this Sunday. Quick update on the Integra actually. I bought a new exhaust hanger so I can, not have this resting on the diffuser, and that's why you have that burnt stuff right there. This diffuser is clapped out. I had cut a huge hole in it when I had my vibrant pan, and yeah, and it's just it's clapped. Marauder, Attack, Evade, and Conquer license plate frames are available, but you probably won't buy it. I don't blame you. I really don't blame you. Front lip of the RSX is off the car because, well, it flew off on 95. 2 lips, 3 weeks, less than 24 hours. Can't keep a front lip, can't keep a girl. It's life. It doesn't have to be, bro. It doesn't have to be. Of a legend. A cute one too. I don't know if I told you guys, but the car is going back on the 85. I thought about it. The pump gas is cool and all. I can go anywhere, but E85 is where the car is going to live for racing events. So I bought 2 VP Racing 5-gallon fuel jug tank thingamajig so I can have, E85 with me at the track in case I run low, and if I can't find any gas or whatever the case may be, I have, something in reserve. All I'm waiting on to drive the car is my Torco shipment of fluids, man, and I might have to run synchro mesh in here until then because I need to drive this car. I gotta go mount the new tires I have on, which I have not told you guys about, but I'm waiting on that video to, present itself once the time comes. But yep, got new tires for the car. I actually landed some type of a sponsorship with the tire company that I decided to go with. It's kind of cool, big freaking news, but I can't talk about it because I don't have the tires on the car yet. I just got the tires just sitting there looking at me. What's up, boo-boo? What's soon to forward for the RSX is this RBC manifold that I picked up from the homie Jonathan Bailey. He also wrote me a dope note. Let me show you. Welcome to reading class with Zosh. My dog John said, hey fan, thank you for being you. You're my GOAT YouTuber. Alright, so boom. Clap hands. Along with the Galifold, I'm gifting you my throttle body so you don't have to buy an adapter. Also, there's a new universal Walbro 255 LPH inside, and that's towards your turbo kit. Blessings, Pondit, blessings, my youth. If you didn't know, I'm going turbo on the RSX. Don't know when, but we're gonna boost the RSX instead of boosting the Integra because, bro, a boosted RSX, fire. Forgive me for not cleaning anything, and there are some scratches on the mating surfaces, but nothing deep. Big up to Mama Zosh, coolest mom ever. That's awesome. I'm sure my mom this. Also, big up to the homie Ranlo, needs a vlog, Bodman Fred, and K-Bros. Bless up, year. Let this be an example to you, bro. This is all the blessings and sponsorships and all the stuff that I do receive is because I am a good person. I'm a great person. You know what I mean? I look out for people without them even asking me to. It's in my nature, it's in my soul. I feel like my life purpose is to just inspire people, just be something that someone needs to reach their goals. I want to be the missing link to people, finding their true passions in life. I love what I do, bro. I just wish I was supported more in my brand stuff. That's all. But other than that, dude, I wouldn't change this shit for nothing. I love what I do. I love everything that comes with this stuff. Although I don't like giving my number to people and they just constantly blow my shit up, dog. I'm on my phone all the time, bro. If I don't text you back, it's probably because I don't feel like it, bro. Honestly, don't triple text me, bro. Please. It's stressful. If you're listening to this clip right now, it's because I said something that I cut out because I just feel like people will probably get upset. And, not that I give it, but Zosh MFG, Passion Breeze quality garage banners. If you love me, just buy one. If you don't have a garage hang, just buy it. I need money. I'm poor. What I decided to do right now is sand the RBC Galifold so I can get it ready to swap on to the RSX. So that's what we're gonna do right now. This is going to get really messy, but don't worry. Stay tuned. I got a perfect solution to cleaning up all this dust that's about to commence all over this bench. Drink water. That's it.
Hello, hello, I bring a new era of terror. Speaking and it's speaking, but it's cool, you hear me clearly in the lack. How it sound when it's up. Don't act like you ain't fucking with it, cause he hate the fronters. They always in the back, fronting, saying something until I open my motherfucking mind and let it spill. Over samples, over sense, over heavy kicks in the mix. Figured I was all singing till I began ripping. Ready to die ever since my father died. Infatuated with death.
We got the RBC Galifold all nice and clean. I just gotta like probably hit it with a pressure wash, but it's smooth. It is smooth, boy. Runners are smooth. Everything is smooth. Now, you're gonna be very upset with me because yesterday I decided to cut it before so I can make it work on the RSX, and I didn't make a video. Well, I didn't film how to do it or anything like that. I just watched a YouTube video, and I just like, you know what, I can do this myself, and that's what I did. And hopefully it clears everything. But it should be, because I got the gasket there mocked up. As you can see, the black Sharpie outline, you know, the Digimon? Okay. Well, my light bulb went out, which is a great time to replace it with a LED light. But RBC is taken care of. She all nice and smooth. Bro, she's smooth, bro. Like, she's smooth. Now we're left with a mess and a burn mark on my finger, on both of them. I don't know what's wrong with me. I be touching like Carlos Miller be saying, quit touching I'm learning, Carlos. I'm learning. So the goal for right now is to go get a light bulb from Walmart, since it's the cheapest place to go, and we got to be frugal because we're poor. Cold start. Bro, I'm gonna be really honest with y'all right now. Sometimes when I put my mask on, bro, when I smell my breath, bro, that's bro, dog, unreal. Get into the paper like it's human nature. Bro, my breath just really, like, it smells like, bro, y'all ever like sweat, right? Like in your arm or something, and then like you wipe the sweat off, and then you, my breath is smells like sock water, bro. Like, y'all ever wet y'all sock, and then you take off your sock, and your feet smell like that? Yeah. Well, I'm at Walmart. I would bring you guys in, but you know. How are you a YouTuber and you're scared to vlog in public? Like, yep. Bro, what? Cool. Why would I stop? I am unstoppable. Why would I stop? I am unstoppable. All right. Let's see if it's bright. Holy shit. Oh yeah, that right there. Yeah, that's nice. With one bulb and one source of light, we have good lighting in the garage. Look at this vlog. This vlog has took a toll. well, it took a detour. What does it mean when something happens, but in a good way? Like, this took a turn? Oh. Yeah, that's it. I mean, look at that lighting, dog. That's 11,000 lumens right there, Playboy. It's pretty fresh. Got a good light. You can see the galetfold all nice. Yeah. Remember how I said earlier in the video we got something to use to clean up all this dust and stuff? Let me show you what it is. You guys remember that dope ass pressure washer I got right there from the company Westforce? Well, you know what I mean? They mess with your boy, so you know it was only right. It was only right. You know what I mean? I get a blower on me. You feel me? It's been a minute since I blowed any. Hold on. It's been a minute since I had anything blowed. There we go. You feel me? Let me go ahead and unbox this and you know what I mean? See how good she can blow. You feel me? I'm gonna get demonetized and lose my sponsorships. As you guys can see, the box is actually pretty small, pretty tiny. Not that, you know, I mean, not much is really in it. You got a total of 4 items. Got the battery, got the blower part, and you got the leafy part. Leaf blower, get it? But as you guys can tell, we're not gonna be blowing no leaves. Actually, we're not gonna be blowing anything. She's gonna be blowing. That's how it's supposed to be. Yep, demonetized. Here's the battery, fully charged. You know what I mean? Insert in the back of that right there. And then for the top. Yeah, I did that. And you saw me do it. But haters gonna say it's fake, so whatever. I guess there wasn't much dust as I thought it was. So, let's take this outside. I kind of wish I would have planned using this new tool for the garage and stuff better, but yeah, it's fire though. But you guys really can't tell on video because I ain't got nothing really dusty going on. 120 volts with the push of 50 or 60 hertz. Ooh. And as always, if that interests you, I have a link down below to where you can purchase it. And yeah. Get a room. I really hope you learned something from this video. Exactly. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like on the video. If you did not enjoy this video, dislike the video. I don't give up. I love each and every single one of you. I will hopefully have like 4 videos this week. I'm gonna try to daily upload the best I can while still making it entertaining and stuff and substance abuse. All right. I love you. take care of yourself, drink water, or a Kool-Aid Jammer, grape preferred, cause that slaps. And I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.